5 brutal truths about affiliate marketing you have to know. Tune in because I'm going to share with you guys these 5 brutal truths you definitely got to hear about. All right. What's up and what's going on, you guys? My name is Ace Guzman, and I am your affiliate marketing coach. We're about to rip the Band-Aid off the world of affiliate marketing. Forget the sunshine and rainbows. We're diving deep into the dark underbelly where literally, what is going to happen with the magic of making this business work. Hold on to your hats because these 5 brutal truths, these 5 will make you question everything that you thought you knew about the game. All right. So let's get right into it and let's get real. You've seen the dream, right? Basically traveling the world, working from home, maybe in a hammock, between 2 trees, swinging back and forth on the beach, just racking in those commissions. But here's the thing. Is it possible? Of course it is, right? It is possible. But here's the brutal truth, the number one thing you must know. Success takes time, patience, and persistence. Okay? That's what you got to understand. Of course, that stuff looks all great on the surface, but it's really honestly the aftermath of what happens after you become successful. Those are rewards, right? So building a lucrative affiliate marketing empire isn't about some magic formula or a get rich quick scheme. It's about grinding it out day in and day out, basically consistent work, creating valuable pieces of content, building that know, like, and trust with your audience, okay, with who is following you on social media, and promoting offers that really are genuinely of value, that solve people's problems, that you could resonate with them, right? That you're really passionate about, that you would be able to be proud to put your name behind it as a brand. So are you ready to put in the work, or are you just here for the beachside cocktails like pina coladas? All right. Here's brutal truth number 2. Failure is inevitable, but it's essential. Okay, let's talk about your best friend in this game. Failure, right? It's going to sting. It's going to sting. This is going to hurt, but campaigns will flop. How many times have you driven traffic and you realize that traffic isn't as it's cooped up to be? And not all traffic is equal. Traffic will disappear and you'll want to throw your laptop out the freaking window. Tell me about it, right? But here's the brutal truth about number 2. Failure is your golden ticket to mastery. Write that down. Failure is your golden ticket to mastery. You have to learn from these mistakes, guys. You have to learn. And then what you do is you analyze your data, your analytics, your metrics. You look down at your numbers like Rich and I talk about. You measure, you adjust, you tweak things, you adjust your strategy. You come back swinging harder than you ever have. That's how you build. That's how you beat failure. It's really not failure. It's not final. Failure is just feedback, right? So remember, affiliates who want to become successful are just failures who learned how to win. That's how it is going to become. All right. Now, number 3. All right. You ready for this? Okay. Adaptability is key in a dynamic market. Let's talk about this for a minute, okay? Because we have all these social media marketing platforms: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, right? Pinterest. You have all these dynamic affiliate marketing landscapes like platforms. And then you have all these social media trends, right? And so adaptability is the key to staying ahead of the curve. So you need to understand that in this affiliate marketing game, it's like a roller coaster, isn't it? It's like a roller coaster, and it's always changing. I mean, take a look what just happened recently. What is it? Today's the 23rd, the 22nd, yesterday. Okay. Now, all of a sudden, Facebook decides to make this notice and change. They gave us everybody enough notice that no more your scheduled posts are going to be utilized through those third-party platforms that use APIs. Even when you use something like StreamYard or Zoom or Meet Egger, That's not going to be utilized in Facebook groups anymore. That's not available. So if you're paying for these products and services that you're supposed to use to leverage your time to do posting on your behalf, I got news for you. Get ready to come back to doing it manually. That's adaptability. When something changes in the marketplace, you need to learn to adapt. You don't complain and get bent out of shape about it. You just go, all right, oh, well, you know what? That's something I can't control. Do you own Facebook? No, Mark Zuckerberg does, right? So when it comes to this type of stuff, you got to understand that if this is stuff that you can't control, only focus on what you can control, right? You can't control APIs. You can't control what's going on with social media networks and channels. What if TikTok goes away? Can you control that? No. But here's what you can control is how you generated the lead. And where is the lead going to be housed? This is why you have to have an autoresponder, right? We talk about this a lot. But platforms, they have to get updated. Trends, they shift, okay? They don't stay around for a long time. They change. And what worked yesterday might not even work today. It won't, right? So be a marketing affiliate ninja. I love that, right? Stay ahead of the curve, pivot when you need to, your strategies when necessary. Watch your competition. Watch them scramble up to catch up while you're the one rolling in the dough because you did your homework, right? All right, number 4, brutal truth number 4. Here we go. Building genuine relationships trumps transactions. Building genuine relationships trumps transactions, okay? Because you got to understand relationships matter, okay? That's what this business and that's what this game is really about. When you're in this business, when it comes to affiliate marketing, this type of affiliate marketing is built on relationships. So relationships do matter. So let's get down to brass tacks here. Are you just trying to just sell everything in sight? Newsflash, your audience isn't a bunch of walking wallets, okay? And that's the thing about this truth. You have to learn, okay? Build 4 genuine relationships. Like you have to build genuine relationships, and that will trump transactions every single time, okay? This is what matters right here. What's in between my chest? My heart, right? You got to focus on creating real relationships, real value, providing authentic help, and building trust. Building trust. There's a reason why the top super affiliates in the industry have such a big, success ratio because they value their relationships. They have been in the game for many, many years. Like if you take Rich and I for experience sake, we've been in the business for more than 7 years with affiliate marketing, but we've been in the game for a long time, home-based business since 2008, 2009. But our success started to catapult and break through to the first 6 figures in 2016. So what you have to understand is you got to become this beacon of knowledge in your niche. And when you show your audience that you genuinely give a shit and you care, they are literally going to be like rallying behind you like raving fans like you never had before. And guess what? That's when the commissions start to roll in naturally. Okay? All right. Last one. Number 5. Brutal truth number 5. Your mindset determines your success. I can't stress this enough. And I learned this from my experience because I'm a knucklehead too. I came from the streets of Jersey. I know what it's like to be hard-headed, set in your ways. And you know what? I'm glad that I had gotten coaching to break that. But that transition is not easy for everyone. This is why this business, this industry is not for everyone. Okay? Because it focuses also on the mindset transition. Okay? And you have to understand that when you're building this business, it's going to require you to talk differently, believe differently, read certain materials than you never read before. Let's talk about this big factor of all, okay? Your mindset. What are we talking about here, okay? What are you telling yourself every day? Like, what is the self-talk you've been saying to yourself every single day? Think about it. Are you literally saying things that leads to self-doubt and limiting beliefs? I was talking to one of my team members today. She's like, every time I see this new technology stuff, this software stuff in this business, I just get so frustrated that I just want to throw in the towel and quit. No, This is not that kind of game. It's time to evict those types of negative beliefs, the negative thoughts, and believe in yourself, or nothing's going to change. Are you feeling me on this? Okay. Nothing's going to change on the outside of your circumstances if you don't change what's up here and cultivate a success mindset. Because you can get soaked up in immersion all day long watching Les Brown and Brian Tracy and everything. But if you're not taking any action behind it, it doesn't get in. You're just watching for entertainment's sake. Oh, I love that guy. I love Anthony Robbins. I love how he talks. I love how he motivates the crowd. I love it. But you ain't done a damn thing. All you do is become what's called one of those mindset junkies. You know how you got like drug addicts in the corner and the crack, and buying crack and cocaine. They got that dopamine fix. That's what you do if that's you. And you're wondering why things are not changing because your mindset is so fixated. It's fixated and you got your dopamine fix, but where's the action? Action has to follow by what you are studying, what you are reading, what you are doing, and your self-talk has to follow too. Watch as the universe conspires to help you achieve your goals. Watch. I'm telling you, it works. And if you believe in yourself, then you could achieve it. Okay? So there you have it, guys. The 5 brutal truths about affiliate marketing that will transform your approach. And now I want to hear from you. Okay? So if you're watching this, what's the biggest obstacle, okay, holding you back in your affiliate marketing journey? Drop me a comment below. Let's crush those challenges together and build a thriving affiliate marketing business. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're watching this on YouTube. Like this video for more affiliate marketing goodness between me and Rich. My name is Ace Guzman. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you've seen this for the first time so you don't miss any of our secrets to becoming a super affiliate. Let's do this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care now.